vibrations embrace a lullaby of ruin in this forsaken place. Chains or tranquility, or chains or tranquility, serenade of severance in the forest decree, buzzing through the stillness, carving peace from the pain. In the grip of the blade we find calm once again. The song, it sings in the night, in eternal cut, no end in sight. Moonlight on metal, gleaming cold and severe, the handler's hand steady, dispelling the fear. Trees bow in submission to the whirring command, tranquility born from the fall of the land. Echoes of splintering, a meditate's right. In the chaos of chopping we glimpse in the light. The chainsaw calls from the glen, tranquil destruction where the wild meets its end. Blades spin eternal in harmony's skies, peace in the pieces under starlit skies. Chainsaw tranquility, oh chainsaw tranquility, serenade of severance in the forest decree, buzzing through the stillness, carving peace from the pain. In the grip of the blade we find calm once again. The song, it sings in the night, in eternal cut, no end in sight. Smoke rises softly from the wounds in the earth. The chainsaw is silent in its moment of birth. Tranquility lingers in the stumps that remain, a quiet aftermath washed clean by the rain. The handler reflects on the power he wields in the hush of the clearing where the spirit yields. Oh, chainsaw tranquility, tranquility so grim, severing the silence, cutting deep within. In blood and in bark, the peace unfolds, the hunger for stillness forever cold. The blade, it claims the soul in darkest woods, eternally whole. Silence in the woods, in the